Okay, tried Asian snacks, so we're gonna try Swiss roll strawberry wheat cake.
Cake.
Okay. Try it. You know what? Look, yummy. You know why? This is actually nice. It's not too sweet. I like it. This is so good. This is good. I'll eat it all.
Mommy.
How did it taste? You like it?
Mommy, so cute. Open.
Okay, we're gonna try this. Even though I tried it already, but I'm gonna let him try it. But it's good.
Go.
It tastes like cantaloupe. You know that bubble gum? It tastes like bubble gum. Cantaloupe flavor, like sweet bubble gum, refreshing. It's so good.
Mommy, can I do?
It's so good.
So dumb.
It's cantaloupe flavor. Taste this one. Wow. This tastes like strawberry. It tastes like a milky strawberry. A milky strawberry flavor. They are so good. Like, I'm gonna have to go back to this Asian store and get me some more once they're finished.
Mommy, open.
You like it?
Open.
Say yes. You like it?